I will discuss about how to configure AWS CLI and some advanced command. I have already created a one more one video for deep dive. So let's start, right. So basically it's a AWS S3 version. So how to configure access key and secret key. AWS configure. Okay, this access key and secret key already configured. Okay, so to whom these belong, right? AWS identity, STS, get, caller, identity. Okay, so this is the default configuration. So this is belong this user. Okay, AWS configure list. Okay, this is list, and you can check this is the config file here, right? And one more thing, how to configure profiles, right? AWS configure hyphen profile, name is testing, and just need to enter. So it's required the CSV file, right? So I'm just going to do same. Okay, paste it. Just need to enter this access key. Okay, paste. US-East, it's a region. Already simply asking. Okay, so I would like to know to whom these fillings. So AWS S3, sorry, STS, get, caller, identity, hyphen profile. What is the name we have entered here? Testing. So this is the different key account. Okay, so this is look like, right? I think I have entered wrong. Let me re again. Yeah guys, I have entered the wrong keyword, right? So let me rerun once more. So it was like deleted earlier. So this is the right one, right? Paste east hyphen 1. Okay, just I want to know how, to whom this belongs, right? So this is the different account user. Okay, assume role user. Okay, so I just need to import these type of the profile directly CSV file. So how to do that, right? Just for which, like I would like to tell you, like if you are going to download, right, any CSV file from IAM user, so it is coming with access key and secret key header. So this is coming, but we need to modify this access key and secret key. Let me tell you, already I have done that, right? Modified, so it will help a lot, right? It is desktop, this is S3 things. So just for demo, right, you can need. So what need to be done, right? Access key, secret key is coming. I just in the start I just add username. This is the header, same type, right? And what is the this is the username, right? So it will map to the profile. Okay, so profile need to be created as S3 dev user. Okay, let's try. Go to this path. Okay, I think we already have this path, right? PWD. Okay, S3 syncs we do have, right, already path. So just need to do. So it is a cred.cs, same CSV. So how to do that? This is the configure. This is the Control C, paste creds.csv. Do not miss .csv because usually I miss that. So this is created. Okay, successfully imported. So what profile? Same name, username, which is S3 dev user. So AWS configure list hyphen profile. Okay, so S3 dev user, sorry, this is already configured as per this S3 dev user. Okay, and if you want to do some access key and secret key, right, in the automation perspective, this is the command line. through the command line we can configure AWS configure set this, AWS configure set this, AWS configure set region, whatever the user and profile, what is the profile you name, you need to upgrade. So let's see, right? I just show you. Control C, Control V. Okay, so this is name is like prod. Control C, Control V. Okay, and this is the set region is this, and profile is prod. Okay, Control C, Control V. Okay, this profile is configured. For the automation perspective, AWS configure list type profile. This is look like prod is coming, right? Okay, if you like the video, please comment and share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.